it comes out of the heart, and the main artery is the aorta coming downstream with the bifurcation of the legs. Off of the arch of the aorta, there are three major arteries that go upstream. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. I apologize. The concept then. The arteries carry the oxygen, and with tributaries coming off the oxygen.
The jury would disregard the volunteered statement of Mr. not the response to the question asked by plaintiff's counsel. So you can step down if there's no.
I apologize, Your Honor.
It's not your question.
I think he won my questions. Oh.
No.
You didn't do anything.
No,
And I don't apologize, Your Honor.
No, I know. Okay.
You can have one.
All right, you step down, sir. Right. Now, on your Rule 50 motions, plaintiff, do you have a Rule 50 motion that you want to make? Do you have a Rule 50 motion you want to make?
What's Rule 50? I still haven't looked it up. What's Rule 50? I still haven't looked it up.
Okay. In other words, should I enter judgment against the defendants as a matter of law?
No, I'm not entitled to anything, thank you.
Okay, all right.
I'm a little concerned about the first instruction meaning nothing and being addition, and we could have inconsistent verdicts. Then you brought in a diagram showing recommended dosages of nitroprusside and the fact your doses and rates are substantially lower than recommended doses. Correct?
Can you say that one more time, please?
Sure. You stood up here and you had a fancy diagram exhibit. And the principal argument was that the dose and rate was substantially lower than what you say is the recommended dose and rate.
I've said that?
Did any of the articles that talked about recommended dose and weight did any of those articles predicate normal dose and normal rate your deposition was taken?
Certainly.
You knew prior to that deposition, having talked with your lawyer, that one of the issues that would arise on that deposition is whether you did or did not have knowledge that Dr. Cassis was incompetent to perform this surgery prior to your deposition. You knew that was a topic of concern?
I expected that to be discussed.
Do you have your deposition handy?
I do.
Page 200?
200. 200.
I apologize. I left your deposition at home. Can I approach the witness? I charted 200. Yeah. Remember that? Is that accurate?
Yes.
And your response? I'll read it, if you don't mind, and see if I read it accurately. Your question, prior to these proceedings, answer, if he was good or bad, question mark, there are, ... I just, ... it's a long time ago, I, ... I, ... I just know I was aware that one or two of his patients had complications, ... after Beverly. I read that fairly accurate?
Certainly, and
you knew ahead of time the question would be asked, and that was your answer to the question, correct?
my answer was he had complications after Beverly.
Thank you, sir. I'm nothing further. You should have heard Sandy when she heard that this doctor had only done 1 in 97 and allegedly 2 in the year of this.
Did you later learn of the number of LEAB procedures that Dr. Cassis did at Boswell from 1994 to 1999?
Later after?
Yes.
Yes.
How many?
I think you said 3 or 4.
Would it surprise you if it was 1?
I hope he had more than 1. It wasn't 1. Was it? I hope he had more than 1. It wasn't 1. Was it?